Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a new video to share all of you, especially to our music producers out there. I will share new toolkits, namely BAHAN Sampler Fills Edition. So if you want to grab it now, just watch the video till the end to get the password. So if you are newbie here, just like, comment and share. If you want more videos like these, subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. So no further explanation, we will start our video. Enjoy.